If Google Maps isn't giving you voice directions, don't worry, it's usually just a quick setting issue. Here's how to turn voice navigation on. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. At the top right, tap your profile icon, then select Settings. Now tap on Navigation Settings. Scroll down until you find Guidance Volume. Make sure it's not set to mute. You can choose between normal or loud, depending on how strong you want the voice instructions to be. If you still can't hear anything, check your Bluetooth settings. Sometimes Google Maps sends audio to a connected device like your car instead of your phone. Try turning off Play Voice over Bluetooth to force audio through your phone speaker. Also, make sure your phone volume and car speaker volume are turned up, and check that you're connected to the correct Bluetooth device. And that's it. Once these settings are correct, Google Maps will start giving you clear voice navigation. Again,